Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Subaru Impreza. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a tour of this Subaru Impreza, the practical compact that prioritizes safety, comfort, and efficiency. Its well-designed interior and suite of amenities make every journey a pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control, intermittent wipers. Don't miss the opportunity to drive away in this sleek Impreza. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.